Welcome to my channel, The Secrets of My Beauty. Today, I have a unique method for making Vaseline at home with natural ingredients. Ingredients. We need 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of beeswax, and a few drops of 4 to 5 fragrant oils. We can choose one fragrant oil, such as rose oil, sandalwood oil, lavender oil, etc. This is your option to make your own Vaseline. First, grate the beeswax with the grater. This recipe needs 1 tablespoon of grated beeswax. To prepare it, combine the olive oil and beeswax together in a saucepan. Cook it on a low flame and stir it until it melts thoroughly. Now we can add a few drops of 4 to 5 fragrant oil. I have another option. We can change the color of Vaseline. If you prefer your favorite color, we can change it by using mica powder. We have a wide range of colors: green, yellow, pink, pale blue, brown, violet, and red. Just add a pinch of your preferred mica powder. You can make it pale or dark. If you don't have mica colors, we can add makeup colors to make it attractive. Now stir it well to combine them together. After that, pour the mixture into a clean container and let it cool down and harden. Now it is ready to use. You can apply it on your face, cracked heels, knees, and around your neck. You can use it as a lip gloss, but avoid using it when you go out in the sun. You will see incredible results. This is an easy way to take care of your beauty. Try this recipe at home. Please leave your comment below and thanks for watching.